All right.
And would you like to introduce yourself, and then we'll go around in the circle about everybody who's here attending.
Ann Fry, First Texas Home Health.
Rosa Flores, Wells Fargo Sealy.
Nancy James, Wells Fargo.
Tim Whitehead, Seeker Corporation.
Rosa Hawks, Austin County State Bank and Sealy.
Robert Worley, Sealy EDC.
Ben Swalney, Sealy Chamber of Commerce.
Larissa Plento, Regional Director for Congressman Michael McCall.
Wayne McCready, Sealy Chamber, Blue Blazer.
Jenny Woodruff, Weebird Web Design.
Lee Jackson, Purair Air Conditioning Heating.
Anna Jackson, Purair AC.
Nadia Cacique, Sealy Workforce Solution.
Tierra Highlands, Spread by Tierra.
Lanya Coleman, Paradise Event Planning. Lori, Austin County State Bank Sealy, Blue Blazer.
Caitlin Dinsey with Lone Star Bank and Sealy.
Keith Oliver with KO's Electric and Sealy. And a chamberman.
Director.
Today we're celebrating the ribbon cutting for Purair Conditioning, and this is Lee and Anna Jackson. They're here to talk about their business. If you guys want to tell us about how you guys got to Sealy and a little history about your business.
Okay, well, we had a business over in Round Rock for about 20 years. We decided to move closer to the Houston area, closer to our parents, and we sold that to a roofing company and opened Purair. We're going on our 5th year now, and having a ball with it.
All right, fantastic. And how long have you guys been here?
We've been in the Sealy area for 3 years now. We started in Katy and moved this way.
Fantastic. All right, well, great.
And we cover from Sealy all the way to Bryan College Station, the west side.
All right, fantastic. Are we ready to do the ribbon cutting now?
We are, but let me run in real quick.
You got the fire?
Yes,
Oh yeah, we're cool.
Well, you haven't had
All right, so
time.
now we're going to do the ribbon cutting.
well, I knew Kim was a lot of people, so I wasn't sure exactly the way.
If we could get everybody lined up, please, so that we can start getting ready for her. Let's get, okay, you guys move here a little bit. You guys crowd in. Get behind. Come on over this way. Come on, guys. Get back in over here a little bit.
Bad hair day. Bad hair day.
Jenny, I need you to step 2 inches over to your left. Keith, the same. Vince, I need you to do the right 2 inches. Just 2 inches.
Am I right?
You're
You're right.
right. All right. All right, I'm going to take 3 pictures. Are you going to cut or are you not going to cut?
I'm not going to cut.
You're not going to cut. Okay. So, let me make sure I got everybody in the frame here. All right, y'all ready?
We are.
Smile pretty. I don't want cars in the background. All right, 1, 2, 3, smile. And here we go again. And y'all are doing great. Larissa, I need you to move over to your right about a foot. I can't see. There you are, I can see your face. All right, one more time. And everybody smile. Great, fantastic. Yay!
Now you guys are official.
All right, now let's head inside.